What's up, guys? Farm Boys back again here with another video. Today is the first day of wheat harvest 2020. I'm running the grain cart today. Talon didn't make it to work today, so yeah, I'll take you guys along for the day and we'll show you how everything goes. Thank you. So the wheat this year is actually pretty good. We got two combines running right now. One, something's broke on it. I don't know what. I haven't talked to anybody, but it's filling up pretty fast. Trucks are going very fast. So we got the grain cart out. So I'm running, try to keep up with everybody, and yeah. Sometimes I dream about 55 years from now. Boys, I plugged her up. I got her unplugged, and now we're going to get some more wheat because Grandpa's almost full. So yeah. Full again, boys. Guys, I'm probably not gonna record me unloading because last time I plugged it up, and I don't think Dad will be very happy if I do that again. So I'll go ahead and get her unloaded, and then yeah, catch you guys back up. Now we're gonna put on a different header for our littler combine because the newer header we bought, but it's cheaper. Well, not really. It was a cheap header we bought, but it's a little bit bigger than the one he's running right now. So we're going to get that switched over and put on. Yeah, I'd say he's about full. This one might take a while. He's a little full up there. Like I said earlier, guys, this wheat this year is actually really good. The same as last year. It's pretty good wheat. So I'm constantly like running around back and forth, unloading him and taking it back to the trucks, and the trucks are running. You know, we got two guys running trucks and 3 combines. It's a process to keep up. You know, there's a lot of wheat being taken down by these big draper headers. They can cover some wheat pretty fast. So it's really impressive, honestly, to see what they can actually do. Well, all 3 combines are going again. The little combine with the bigger header on it now, and then the other guy got his fixed. I found out what the problem was. Apparently he was shooting the wheat like out the back and not just the stubble. So definitely need to get that fixed. It's not something that should not be happening. So they got that fixed. He's going again. Grandpa's going, and other combine. So should knock down some weight here pretty fast. Get this field done and move on to the next one. So yeah, we're moving some weight pretty fast now. We got all 3 combines going. I'm trying to keep up, but it's pretty hard. Boys, that's a wrap for today. We're heading home. We'll catch you guys tomorrow, and yeah, stay tuned. We're back today for day 2 of wheat harvest. Talon made it to work today. We're running the grain cart again. We moved to a different field. We'll take you guys along for the day and show you how everything goes. Combine to grain cart to Pete. That's pretty cool. We're moving fields now. We're going across the highway to what we call Grandma's because my grandma used to live there. So taking the grain cart over. Already took 2 headers. Talon's following me with the other one, and we'll pick you guys up when we get there. That's a new field. As far as I know, the wheat's looking pretty good. Haven't done very much. Got off full load already. We'll load it onto the grain cart and I'll take it up to the trailer. So Yeah. So far from what I can tell, wheat in this field is also very good. We've been very lucky this year. So far, had pretty good crops. So there's a little dark tint in the actual wheat itself. In some spots, just like the wet low spots is what it looks like. So it's not too bad. Got to work through it. Made a few loads already in just a few minutes, so I can tell it's pretty good. Very good. So. Seatbelt on.
Yep, gotta be safe.
Safety first.